What's up guys, today we're going to be learning how to make this proximity prompt in 2 minutes or less. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make a part inside of workspace. After that, you're going to want to go make a proximity prompt. You can customize this proximity prompt however you would like. I'm just going to do click to change. Alright, now make a script. Inside of the script, we're just going to get the proximity prompt. I'm just going to do PP. Alright. After that, we're going to make an event on the proximity prompt. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using trigger ended. But if you look in the object browser, you can also see there's triggered, trigger ended, prompt button hold ended, prompt button hold began. So PP dot trigger ended connect function. Alright, after you got this done, you can start coding your function. So I'm going to make a local bool called clicked, and I'm going to set it equal to false. I'm then going to make a if statement that says if clicked, and then we can get the part, and then we can change its material to neon. Alright, and else we can just do script.parent.material is equal to, and I'll set it to plastic. And then I'm also going to do pp.objectText, and I'm going to set it equal to click to change back. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing for clicked. I'm going to put this, but instead of doing click to change back, I'm going to come in here, copy the click to change, and then put it in here. After that, we're going to want to come down here and do clicked is equal to not clicked. We can play and see that it works. Alright guys, if you would like a more detailed and more thorough explanation on how to do this, please leave a suggestion below. This was just for a quick little tutorial if you want to learn how to use a particular function in proximity prompts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow or join the Discord down below and smash that like button if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. See you.